Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim videos in Canva. If you've ever had a clip that runs a little too long at the beginning or end, or you just want to keep the best part and remove the rest, trimming is the fastest way to clean it up without leaving your design. Whether you're creating promotional videos for your Shopify store, products demos, or social media content, trimming helps keep your videos concise and focused. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your project, then head to the exact page where your video lives. If your design has multiple pages, use the page navigator to jump straight to the one with your clip so you're editing the right thing. This is especially useful when you're working with larger projects, like a product showcase or a multi-slide presentation for your Shopify store. It ensures you're in the right place and speeds up your workflow. Click once on the video to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around the clip and a toolbar appears above your canvas. On that toolbar, look for the scissors icon. That's the trim tool. Click it, and you'll see a timeline view of your video with left and right handles. These handles control where the video starts and ends. Drag the left handle inward to cut off unwanted footage at the beginning, and drag the right handle inward to remove extra footage at the end. As you move each handle, watch the time indicators and the miniature preview so you can land on the exact moment you want to keep. This is particularly helpful when you're fine-tuning a product video or customer testimonial, ensuring the video starts and ends on the most engaging parts. You'll also notice you can click and drag the center area between the handles. That lets you keep the same duration you've set, but slide the selection window forward or backward along the original video to choose a different section. It's a great way to fine-tune the moment you start without changing the total length you've already established. For example, if you're editing a tutorial video and want to adjust the starting point without losing any content, this feature lets you do that easily without affecting the overall flow. While you adjust, remember that trimming is non-destructive to your original upload. You're only changing how the clip plays inside this design, which means you can revisit the trim tool at any time to refine it further. So, if you're unsure about the timing of your product demo or promotional video, don't worry. You can always come back and adjust the trim later without worrying about losing any of the original footage. If you're working with dialogue, try nudging the left handle so the clip starts just before the first word, and use the right handle to end on a natural pause. For action shots or transitions, trim on motion that makes sense visually, like the end of a gesture or the last frame of a pan, to keep everything feeling smooth. This is particularly important for ads or promotional content, where you want the viewer's attention to stay locked in and the pacing to feel seamless. Once your handles are set and the center selection is positioned exactly where you want it, you're done. Your video on the page will now play only the trimmed portion you selected, giving your design a clean, professional feel without extra steps or complicated tools. This is a great way to ensure that your Shopify product videos, tutorials, or promotional content are optimized for your audience without unnecessary filler or awkward pauses. That's all it takes to trim videos in Canva quickly and confidently. Whether you're fine-tuning a short ad, optimizing a product video, or preparing content for social media, trimming videos in Canva ensures your content stays clean, engaging, and polished.